Motorbike can come quick and fast.
Correct.
Yeah, and small investment, anyone can do it. What is the population of Vietnam?
Population.
50 million.
This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Hello guys! Yes, we are in Hanoi. As you can see, lahat ng tao dito, they own a motorcycle or a scooter or a bike. O, diba? First stop ng aming tour is the Incense Village, guys. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Yes, we all thought that it's a flower in Instagram or in the social media, but actually it's all incense, o diba? So the people over here, it's like a village, so you just choose which place you will have to go to. Ito ang sinadya sa amin ni what you call this, tour guide, kasi masyadong colorful, o diba? And also may picture. There's a photo also displayed, yung photo ni Julia Barreto nandito. Saka pinost niya to sa Instagram. Ang ganda-ganda ng colors, very vibrant. Ayan talaga, o diba? Bongga. Ayan kaming lahat. Well, after nyan, pumunta kami sa, well, ayan muna yung iba naming photos. Yes. You can, what you call this? Tawag doon para maging vibrant yung colors. O, ayan, o. Very vibrant. Ang ganda, diba? But that's only an incense sticks, guys. And after that, pumunta kami sa hat making. Yan yung hat ng Vietnam na village naman. O, ayan yung gumagawa ng mga hat nila. So, ayan, we visited. Pero, syempre, hindi naman kami bumili. After, well, actually, si Shadow may ganyan na kasi for Kylie. So, ayan yung loob niyan, guys. Yung ibang clips, hindi ko na naisali dito. After that, we have a Vietnamese lunch where our tour guide brought us.
Our next stop is the Temple of Literature. Is the diverse complex of relics of Hanoi, as well as an important historical cultural site of Vietnam. This is the place where distinctive values of Vietnamese culture are honored and preserved. This is also a symbol of learning and culture. When we went there, guys, ayan, nakikita nyo, nandyan yung amazing race ng Romania yata. Yeah, Romania. So, ayan, kunwari nag-cheer kami, kunwari nanonood kami, ayan. So, they have to go to the challenge, otherwise they will not be able to pass and they will have to do the challenge again. Ganun siya, guys. Anyways, ayan pa yung ibang makikita sa lugar na to. Ayan. And then, nandito din yung First University ng Vietnam. Tapos, makikita nyo some of our photos nandoon kung saan, ayan. Tapos, meron pa yan mga relics sa loob. Tapos, ayan yung temple. They pray para makapasa sila doon. Something like that. By the way, guys, ang alphabet pala nila is guess where? From where? Saan nag-originate yung ganong klaseng yung mga hindi may mga iba-ibang klaseng letter, may mga ibang apostrophe. From the French. Kasi colonized sila ng French, guys. Yes. Vietnam was colonized by the French people. Oh, ayan.
Perfect.
Let's watch the clip. Well, as you can see, guys, ayan, dyan nakaupo daw yung mga professor. This is how they take the exam before. O, diba? Paano? Bahala ka. So, we are thinking like this. Nakatuwad sila while they're taking the exam. Tapos, ayan yung mga professor or judges na nagbabantay sa kanila. And I think this is what you call how they go here. By the horse. O, diba? Yung mga examiners. Yun lang. This is the Literature Temple in Hanoi. So our day tour is composed of learning their literature and arts. Yan lang, guys.
We are here, pack up the Goodbye, Vietnam!
Goodbye, neighborhood. Goodbye. Meshuddin, goodbye. Ang laki-laki ng spa, oh.
Pag hindi nyo pa naman nakita ang spa.
Oo, mag-iinom dyan.
Ito kaya ba tayo mo?
Oo, yan matibay yan, be. Pang ano yata yan eh, pang social eh. Yan ang mga social nila. Actually, maganda naman siya.
Nahanap ko yung ano, pinilan ko ng...
Ayan na po kami guys. We reached the airport. Medyo maaga pa. Since we are on standby, we have to eat our food. Dito sa food court. Marami nga kami nakita na mga Filipino din na nag-iintay. Ang dami na guys. And ayan kami. This is where we ate. Kasi yan ang nakita namin na with rice and ulam and all. Actually, masarap naman yung mga food nila. Pasok naman sa ating panglasang Pinoy. O, diba? Ito nga pa rin kinain namin.
Hoy, madami yan, Lola. Hindi mo nga maubos yung rice eh.
Kamihan yung kain ng kanin.
Kanin is life.
On the next clip, I will just put the quick room tour. Very short clip lang yun, guys. Where we stayed here in Hanoi. Yun lang. See you in the next vlog. Bye!
And thank you guys for watching. Mwah!
And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.
It's so right.